Across the Narayani floodplains, farmlands are disappearing, and with them the feeding grounds of migratory birds, the bar-headed goose, the ruddy shelduck, the common crane.
And the growth of settlements, infrastructure development, water pollution, and use of pesticides are killing the feeding grounds of the iconic birds in the Narayani River floodplains.
But there is hope. If we invest in safe, thriving wetlands within the natural wetlands, within the Chitwan National Park, within its buffer zone, then we provide these birds, these migratory birds, a safe landing, a point of relief, a resting point in their long journey across the Central Asian Flyways.
Our new Flyways project aims to do exactly that by developing shallow wetlands, meadows, marshes, and most importantly, to working closely with the local communities. We want to ensure the future of these birds and other species along the Narayani River.
हाम्रो खोलाको छेउछाउतिर अनि हाम्रो धानबारी खेतबारीतिर आउने चराहरू त्यो एउटा सेतो एउटा चक्योआहा अनि एउटा कराङकुरुङ भन्ने हुन्छ पाउना चरा भन्छौँ तिनीहरूलाई त्यतिखेर यहाँ यिनीहरूलाई सुरक्षित वासस्थान होस् भनेर हामी यो कार्यक्रम सञ्चालन गरे.
There is hope and we can all help.
This kind of a concerted efforts brings hope for the birds, people, and the generations to take it forward.